Hi everyone! Thank you for joining the DC Public Library for an easy April Fool's Day craft. My name is Marissa, and today we're going to make something very easy. We're going to make fish. And if you don't know, April Fool's Day is also known as Poisson d'Avril in France, and this is a fun activity you can do at home. And it's a little bit nicer than some April Fool's traditions here. And so it's very easy. You just make your fish, and then you get some tape, and you put some tape on the back of the fish, and you can play a fun game where you can hide the fish in drawers and people can see it. You can say, Poisson d'Avril! Or you can stick it on someone and see if they notice. So it's a fun activity we'll do together. Parents, please note, this craft does require scissors, so please help your child when making this craft. I also included a very easy worksheet you can print at home, or you can draw your own fish, like me. Okay, now, this is what you're going to need for your craft. Hey everyone, and so now you know what you need, and it's very easy. So start with a piece of paper or the worksheet that I included in the description, and then what you do is you make your fish, whoop, that way, and you can either use a printed out clip art fish or you can make your own like I did, and you'll need some crayons, scissors, and your parents' help, tape, and if you'd like, you can use glue or paint, or I even have some paper, tissue paper right here that you can use, and I made little tiny scales, and you can just rip those apart. It's very easy. You can just take your tissue paper and pinch, and what's nice is when you do that, it kind of looks like scales, and then you can put it right on your fish with some tape. So that looks really fun. Alright, so once you have everything you need, you can also get some glitter or feathers or any other optional decorations that you have at home, and you can add it to your fish. So let's see. Very easy. Step one, you're going to draw your fish. Now, I just did a very simple fish right here, and this is probably easiest for everyone at home, and you can see. And then once I decorated my fish, I cut it out. So it's very easy, so you can do any color you'd like. And then you go ahead and you cut out your fish. Parents, if you have children that are under 6, I recommend doing this for them. And then they can decorate. I recommend decorating it first before you cut it out, just so it's a little easier for them. And here's the fish. All right. And then if you'd like to play a game where you put it on people's backs and they can't see you, you can just take a little piece of tape, put it on the back of the fish, and when no one's looking, put it on their back and say, Poisson d'Avril! If not, you can also hide it in a drawer, and when they find it, you can say it as well. So it's really fun. Okay, everyone, so I hope you have your fish ready to go. And you can see I added some of my scales right here. And there you have it. Happy April Fish Day, everyone. If you have a chance, please post your fish on social media and tag us at DCPL on Twitter or DC Public Library on Instagram, or you can add your photo to the comments below at this video, and I'd love to see them, so I hope you enjoyed this very easy craft. Thank you for joining the DC Public Library. Visit dclibrary.org/library at home for more activities. We have lots of great activities, including Twitter chats, video programs like this one. Try to read 20 minutes a day, and don't forget to check out the DC Public Library Kids page for ebooks, audiobooks, puzzles, games, and resources for schoolwork. All right, bye everyone! Happy April Fool's Day!